What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV Hotels coming to you from Punta Cana. This is on Bavaro Beach. We are here at the all-inclusive resort known as Royalton. You got the Splash and the Hideaway. One of them is adults only, but I wanted to show you around here really quickly. You can see, kids, this is at the Splash. If you wanted adults only, it'll be the Hideaway, which is actually the hotel I'm staying at. So it's essentially 3 resorts in one. But here you can see. But yeah, let's show you around here. I'm gonna go downstairs. At the check-in area here, they have a theater down there. But like I said, this is where the families go. But I'm gonna be mostly showing you around the Hideaway. So, walking down to the ground level here. They do have 2 areas to get dropped off, but up top is the lobby, so you'll more than likely get dropped off up there. So it's been raining for the most part all day, but here you can see you have the Royalton Splash and the Hideaway. The sun is finally starting to come out here at 4 p.m. Got some sort of concert being set up. But yeah, this is all inclusive. They had two different restaurants. That I've already seen. So here is the Hideaway. On that side. Now if you're coming down here, be ready for lots of music. That music has just been pumping all day long. If I have to mute it out, I will and change it, but I'll still show you around. Just know that the reason I had to change it out was because licensing issues, because it's typically Sony or something would own the rights. Okay. So this is Splash, everything you're looking at right here, right? That's the Hideaway. That's the adults only. So there's going to be lots of kids around here. Oh, flood puddle. All right. All right, so we got lots of music going. Let's go down here to the beach area. Lots of alcohol is being consumed at that pool there. Even in the rain, there was people that was still just as crowded. The only thing that's changed is there's a little bit of sunlight now, but people were partying for sure. So they get the vibes going there. Yeah, here we are down at the beach. Looks like they have a brand new hotel being built on the other side of the Hard Rock there. Now the people that I talked to, they said that the Hard Rock is quite amazing. I'll try and get over there. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do a review of the Hard Rock, but from what I heard, that's another amazing hotel complex. This one's actually run by Marriott. Here in the area they have the Sanctuary, which I've already reviewed. You can watch that video on this channel, which is in Cap Cana. But yeah, this is mostly the hotel here. I'll show you the room here in a minute. But yeah, this is all part of the Royalton. Good swimming here. The beach here is better than the one at Cap Cana that I saw at the sanctuary, but the sanctuary property is way more luxurious. But you can swim at the Cap Cana. It's just this beach is a bit bigger and the water's a bit more fun. So let's go take a look at the room. Well, here is a look at the room here. Place to put the bag. Let's look in the closet here. Safe. No robe. I was laying on that a little bit, not very comfortable, but it works. The seat cushion itself is all right, but the back isn't very good. And this is my view. I guess that's another resort. You can see it's raining still. So yeah.
Una aquí, dos aquí.
Lots of breakfast options, that's for sure. And you can see. Here's what I got for my breakfast. Some fruit. And for those who want the Diamond Club, you get that access. And we've got a bar here. Right there on the beach. Salad bar, look at that. So much food here. So I got some eggs. All right, so I got some caviar here, with some onions and olives. Oh, thank you so much. Okay. All right, calamari and lobster brisk, okay. All right, so here it is, nighttime. Just showing you some of the nighttime entertainment. Got this going on over here. I'm going to see what that is. It's like a mini city around here at these all-inclusive resorts. What is this, Hideaway? We got something going on over here. Whoa! There we go. People are pumping up the volume over here at the adult all-inclusive. Oh yeah. What else they got going on over here? Well, compared to the sanctuary, they don't have as much nighttime activities, I guess. But let's go over here. Nice ambiance around here, though. Not too loud. In Costa Rica, at the Planet Hollywood, they do a, what do they call that? A silent disco. They give you headphones, and everyone listens to like reggaeton and all this upbeat music and dances, and inside your own headphones, it's crazy chaos and fun, but people can sleep without any noise. Okay, so they do have some activities going on here. So, see exactly what they got going on. This is the splash over here. Lots of kids around this side though, because it's not adult only. All right, so Lots going on here. Okay, now for my final review of the Royalton. So I came here from the Sanctuary, which was also a Marriott property in Cap Cana, although that one was a lot more expensive. This one was a lot more affordable, probably about 1/3 the price actually. Now, right when I got there, I noticed right away there was a big difference. A lot more people for one, but also they offer a food like gallery area where you can get a variety of different pickles and chips and prosciutto and salami and all that. So that was nice. Also drinks. They'll give you a drink right when you get there. The room quality was a lot different from the Sanctuary, so I guess I was a bit spoiled coming from the Sanctuary to here. Although I thought it was a good experience, but everything was, you know, you have to level down your expectations when you stay at a place like this coming from Cap Cana, because the Hyatt, the Marriott, the Sanctuary, the Eden Rock, all of that is going to be super high quality. So this is a mid-level all-inclusive, I would say. A bit better than some of the other ones like Barcelo down the beach, but the food was, it was decent. I wouldn't say it was the best. Room quality was all right. Aircon worked. The only thing was it was a bit loud in the rooms. You could hear your neighbors very loudly and people in the hallway. So that was something that you may take into consideration. But people come here, they party. The beach is better than I saw in Cap Cana though. So that's something to take into consideration. Overall, I would give it a 4.7 for experience, and I would stay here again, and I do recommend it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this one, and we'll see you on the next one.